In the battle for freedom, are we winning or losing? It's a question that has to be answered. Like you, deep down, I'm afraid of the direction our country is headed. I see that some have given up hope. However, it is important to remember that it does not take a majority to prevail. It just takes enough people who are willing to go to the front lines, who are willing to be heard, and who know how to communicate the freedom narrative. Folks, we can have an impact. We can make a difference, and I hope you'll join me as we talk about what we can do to have influence in very real terms. When you join me at my upcoming webinar, I will give you real tools that will impact real people, which will have real consequences. I will share with you some things that many people respond by saying, "Why have I never heard this before? Why are we not using this tactic more frequently?" It's time to engage in the battle for freedom together. I'm Shane Krauser with Freedom Fires, and we'll see you there.